In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the FPS counter in your Steam games using the latest 2026 update. If you have ever wondered how well your hardware is actually performing while you are playing your favorite titles, or if you're trying to troubleshoot stuttering and lag, having a real-time frames per second counter is absolutely essential. The best part is that you do not need any third-party software like RiverTuner or Fraps because Steam has a high-quality, lightweight performance monitor built right into the client. This feature allows you to keep an eye on your performance without cluttering your screen or consuming extra system resources. If this video helps you improve your gaming setup today, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started with the process. First, you will need to open the Steam application on your desktop or laptop. Make sure you are logged into your account and that the client is fully updated to ensure you have all the latest settings available. Once Steam is open, look at the very top left corner of the window. You will see the words Steam in the menu bar. Click on Steam and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to navigate down and click on Settings. This will open up a new window with all of your Steam preferences and configurations. On the left-hand sidebar of the settings window, you will see a list of categories like Interface, Library, and Downloads. You want to look for the tab labeled In-Game. Clicking this will bring up everything related to the Steam overlay and your in-game experience. This is where the magic happens. Now, once you are in the in-game section, I want you to scroll down through the options until you see a section titled Overlay Performance Monitor. This is the specific area dedicated to tracking your game's technical performance. Under this heading, you will find a drop-down menu next to the option labeled Show Performance Monitor. This is currently set to off by default for most users. Click that drop-down menu and you will see several options for where you want the FPS counter to appear on your screen. You can choose top left, top right, or bottom left. Selecting the correct position is purely a matter of preference, but most gamers prefer the top corners where the UI of the game usually doesn't block the numbers. Once you select a position, you will notice that a new section dynamically appears right below it. This is a crucial step that was added in recent updates. This new section is called Performance Detail Level. Here, you have the opportunity to choose exactly how much data you want to see on your screen. If you only want to see a small simple number that shows your current frame rate, you should select the single FPS value option. This is the cleanest look and is perfect for most players. However, if you are a power user or a hardware enthusiast, you might want to consider the other options available in this list, which can sometimes include more detailed graphs or frame time analysis depending on your specific version. After you have made your selection, the settings are saved automatically. From now on, whenever you launch any game through the Steam platform, you will see that FPS counter appear exactly where you positioned it. It is a great way to monitor if your graphics settings are too high or if your PC is handling a new zone in an open world game effectively. Now, sometimes things don't work perfectly on the first try. If you launch a game and you do not see the FPS counter appearing in the corner as expected, do not panic. The first thing you should try is a simple restart of the Steam client. Completely close Steam by going to the system tray, right-clicking the icon and selecting Exit. Then relaunch Steam and start your game again. In almost all cases, this refresh will force the overlay to activate properly with the new performance monitor settings enabled. It is also important to ensure that the Enable Steam overlay while in-game toggle is turned on at the top of this same settings page, as the FPS counter relies on the overlay to display properly. By following these steps, you now have a professional-grade performance monitor running on every single one of your Steam games for free. It is a game changer for optimizing your settings and making sure you are getting the smoothest experience possible. If this guide was easy to follow and helped you out, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. It really helps me out and ensures I can keep making these tutorials for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.